To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to make rich curd sabzi, which is also known as Turai in Hindi. Before starting the recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do click on that red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get a notification of my new uploads. So let's start cooking. Here I have taken 2 rich curds, which we call Turai in Hindi. Select rich curd which is deep green in color and free of any spots or blemishes on it. When you press them, they should be nice and firm. 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 medium tomatoes de-seeded and roughly chopped, small piece of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves. In powdered spices, we need 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 tablespoon of Bengal gram, that is channa dal, rinsed and soaked in water for 20 to 30 minutes. Channa dal can be skipped in this recipe or it can be replaced with moong dal. 1 sprig of curry leaves, handful of coriander leaves, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida, that is hing, salt to taste and 3 tablespoon oil. Rinse this turai very well with water. Peel the outer skin. It's okay if there is some of the skin left on it. Don't throw away this peel, it is used to make delicious chutney. I will upload a video on that chutney very soon. Cut it into small pieces. One important information I want to share is that before cooking with rich curd, always taste a small piece of this vegetable raw, because even if it is looking good from outside, sometimes due to some reason it can be very bitter in taste. If it is bitter, then immediately throw it away, don't use it for cooking. Next, in a grinding jar, take ginger, garlic and tomatoes. Grind this to make a paste. Now all the preparation is done, so we will start making our sabji. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add in mustard seeds. Wait for them to splutter. Then add in cumin. Give them few more seconds till they puff up. Then add in Asafoetida. Next in goes chopped onions. Also add in curry leaves. Cook these onions on medium flame till they become soft. Now lower the flame and add in all powdered spices, turmeric powder, coriander, chili and cumin powder. Let the spices cook on low flame for a minute. Next add in tomato, ginger and garlic paste that we made. Give a mix. Let this masala cook on medium flame till oil starts to separate. It might take around 10 minutes. It is very important to cook this masala very well, or else the raw flavor of the spices, ginger, garlic and tomato will ruin the sabji. So now you can see the oil has started to separate from this masala and it has cooked well. So add in soaked Bengal gram. Drain out the water. We don't need to add this water. Also add in chopped rich curd. Add salt to taste. Give a mix. Add very little water to it. Cover and set the flame on medium. It will take around 10 to 12 minutes till the dal and turai is cooked well. This looks great. Finally add in garam masala powder and chopped coriander leaves. Give 2 more minutes on low flame and then it's ready to serve. serve it along with hot roti or with dal rice. So my dear viewers, I hope you all like this video. If you do, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.